Hi, welcome to Known Facts. Today I'll be talking about stress. Due to pandemic, we all are going through some or the other stress related emotions. As I felt it, I feel like sharing a few tips with all of you. Maybe y'all can relate and y'all can understand, or you also can just introspect and keep yourself upbeated. So, the first thing I would like to speak is on being still. We need to be still, we need to think what is happening, we need to just relax ourselves by stopping everything going around us. There might be 10 other captions coming in your mind, but you need to be still. The second thing is we must have faith. I know उम्मीद पे ही दुनिया कायम है. So the similar thing, faith is very important. We know nothing is happening right. We know things are not falling as per our expectations, but we still need to have faith in whatever is happening. We still need to look forward that whatever happens will happen for good. Maybe not today, but in near future. Next is be yourself. Just be yourself. Just try to understand yourself. Just try to figure out what exactly is the thing which is of utmost priority right now. Is it your mental peace, or is it the outside chaos which is causing a disturbance? Next is breathe. We need to breathe easy. We need to inhale peace and exhale chaos. We need to stay calm. We need to think positive when we are breathing in, because breathing is what is keeping us alive. Breathing is something which is keeping us moving on. So we should breathe easy, we should breathe relaxed, and we should breathe thinking that everything is going to go fine. Next thing is managing our emotions. It is very difficult in today's condition to convince somebody or console somebody by saying things will be okay. Definitely things will be okay, but there are emotional outbursts, and it is okay to have an outburst, because it is okay to at least let your emotions come out. If you suppress it in yourself, it will lead to your health problems. So let the emotions come out. You have to manage your emotions. You have to talk to somebody who you can find the comfort in. You need to communicate with somebody rather than keeping your discomfort to yourself. Next is have an open heart. See, not everybody will understand you in this situation or any situation you are going through, but you should keep your heart comfortable and open. Even if somebody is trying to irritate or trying to disturb you in this situation, you just be blessing them back. You just need to tell them that it's okay, I know even you are going through something wrong. It's like Munnabai MBBS, Jadoo ki Jhappi. Maybe that person needs Jadoo ki Jhappi, or that person needs get well soon. And then at the end, definitely we know everything will fall in place, because everything is happening for a reason. You must not force anything on yourself. Just, as I said, stay calm, have faith, be yourself, breathe easy. So that similarly, you should not force anything on you, whether it is extra work, whether it is your emotions. Emotions should not rule over you. You should be able to express yourself, and it's okay to break down. Next is feed your soul. What is the meaning of feeding your soul? Just tell yourself that everything would be fine. Tell yourself that situations are not permanent. Tell yourself that one day we will fight back. Tell yourself that things would be okay. So whatever thought process you are in, your subconscious mind is always active in it. So subconsciously also you must keep saying that you will be okay, things would be okay. It's okay to just be you. It's okay to just be just do what you're doing. So feed your soul with the positive energy every day, every time. We should change our mindset. The next thing is changing our mindset. Change your mindset from negative to positive. Think about the positive aspect of every situation you're going through. Think about how this situation can be changed, whom you can confide in. So change your mindset. Maybe the person who is sitting in front of you can understand you only if you're ready to talk to that person. Next is letting go. There are many things. We have lost many near and dear ones due to this situation. As per the life cycle also, we keep losing our near and dear ones. But then we should let go of our emotions. The emotions of, tied to something, the emotion of not letting ourselves free, the emotion of feeling overburdened by something. So we should let go a lot of things. We should also live in the present. Usually what happens is we are thinking of what in past we've experienced and we are thinking of how our future must be better. But in the bargain, in between, we are losing out on the present. Why it is called a present? Because it's a gift to you. Today is a new day for you. You don't know what today is going to bring for you. So you have to make your today. So your today has no relationship with what you went through yesterday or what will happen in future. I know again you all will say it's very easy to say, but it's difficult to understand. But I think we should keep reminding ourselves that stress is an external pressure and not what is something going inside. We should think of all these aspects and keep ourselves calm. Then the next best thing we can do is when we are stressed, we should spend some time in the nature. Maybe we are just sitting in our balconies or on our terraces or anywhere out of the window you see the beautiful trees and the birds and everything around you and you find them so happy. The breeze comes and they are just moving. The breeze comes and the trees, the plants, the small shrubs, the grass, everything is just like they are happy, they are moving. Also, if we see the birds, they are in their own world, they are chirping, they don't have anything which is of sorrow. They are happy. So many times I think a bird gives birth in a nest. She lays eggs. She never knows when she goes back whether her eggs would be there. Definitely they would have emotions attached to it like us. But then when we see them flying, we see them with that never give up attitude. Right? Then next is collect yourself. We are broken, we are hurt, we are demotivated, we are looked down upon. But don't forget, you are unique. So you need to collect all the bits and pieces in your life and just get back. Have that setback. Every day could be a day. Like with me it happens. Every day I go to bed, there are certain experiences which is not very comfortable. But when I get up in the morning, I say, oh, it's a new day. Though there are many things which keep happening and the new day may also start with a negative note. But I still keep looking at the day as if it's a new opportunity. I always say learning is lifelong and we must always strive to be better from yesterday. Next is you must not worry. Don't worry. Whatever is going to happen is going to happen. By asking somebody or telling somebody, things are not going to be changed. Tell to the person who can really help you or speak to the person who can really get you out of situations. And remember that everything happens for a reason. So everything will be okay in the end. And if it is not okay, that means it's not the end. We need to keep moving ahead in life. So don't worry, be happy, breathe easy, find peace, collect the pieces, of yourself. Make your day again a better day, and let not the negativity around you affect a single positive approach of you towards your life. I hope this 10 minutes what you heard me would have brought some kind of relief from the regular routine what you're going through, or some kind of peace of what is happening around you. So if you liked what I am speaking, so kindly subscribe my channel Known Facts and just go through whatever I'm putting up, because now it's all personal experiences which I keep sharing, and definitely y'all can get back to me with your suggestions. Thank you, and do subscribe Known Facts.